Up guys, welcome to our channel.
And today's episode, we gonna get some bloodworms from our backyard. So tune in, let's dig in. The genus Glycera is a group of Polychaetes worm, worm, commonly known as bloodworms. So they are typically found at the bottom of the shallow marine water. Some of the species, common bloodworm, can grow up to 35 centimeters, 14 inches in length. So actually this is a drain canal because of summer. Then it's also had some gravel. So this is a good way that indicators of the bloodworms is there. But for now there are so few of them because this is not in season yet. We will wait until rainy days to be able to have more of bloodworms because today is not just in season yet. So you can look that. So that's how we dig in and get some bloodworms. And when you feed this, make sure that the bloodworms is clean. So we clean this after we get from the canals, and make sure that the ducks are away so that your caught bloodworms will not be eaten by duck, because duck is very aggressive predator of these bloodworms, eager to eat size to feed in our flower horn later. Usually you see this in the pet store as frozen bloodworms, but if you want it free, so just check your backyard. The canal has sandy soil and wet a little bit, then that's the good indicator that your canal have bloodworms. So make sure you clean it before feeding to your fish, so prevent poisoning and other bad disease to your fish. And by the way, this bloodworms is I occasionally feed this once a week because bloodworms is not in season yet. uh, that bloodworms is good when rainy days because they are in season. So we're almost done. So let's clean these bloodworms and feed it after. So this is the bloodworm. As you can see, this one is the bloodworm. So we will just clean it before we feed it to our fish. By the way, I'm feeding this to my flower horn. Flower horns. Hello guys, this is the bloodworm that we caught. This is not season yet because it's summer, so there are few we got. So I explained this from Wikipedia. Fun fact: they spend time in the sandy, silty bottom or intertidal or subtidal region. So as you can see, the bloodworms lives in the sandy soil. So look at that video. We're gonna have some shout outs today. Shout out to Lives Bearer Aquatics. Shout out to Serge Joseph Arieta. Shout out to Earl Ramos. To Dick Fuentes. To Tripping. To Claire Conji. To Pepperoni08. To Tricia Joy de la Cueva. And so that's it guys. Thanks for watching and hope you like this video. Comment down below your questions, and if you doesn't have subscribed yet, please click subscribe button and the notification bell below also, so you will be able to be updated on our next video. So that's it guys, thanks.